Recently I made a quick demo about my initial sketching process, and I just want to explain a little bit more about it. Why I sketch? Because for me it's easier, and that way I can actually exercise my mind with my skills. Also, I have a very conservative learning background because I was attending an art school when I was 10. So basically it's easier for me to draw something than to talk about it. And sketching is my way of thinking because I constantly practice it and it becomes very organic. So my first sketches are really basic, like on the video I showed you. It should appear somewhere here. As soon as I catch the right proportions of elements and balance it, I focus on one angle, mostly the frontal one, because that way I can see all elements together. And here's a sketch I did after the first draft one. I really like it and I don't want to change anything in it, and it's ready to go. And here's a sketch of a kitchen that I'd like to present to a client. What I want to show you is how I retouch a handmade sketch. Since I do believe that if something is working in grayscale model, it works in color too. That's why I'm not going to add color. Instead, I'm going to add texture, just a bit. And basically I open it in Photoshop and mask it up a little. I like the texture. I don't like the direction, so I just want to flip it, and I'm gonna put it in my file, marble. And a little bit disturb it because I don't want it to look plain. So here we go, and here comes the marble. I always make 2 layers, multiply layer and overlay layer, because it always creates this effect of more dramatic effect of light. So what I want to do is actually to erase some of the texture from the multiply layer, and I got my marble texture. I'm gonna select area I want to work with. Select path and simply inverse selection, and here we have our textures. And actually I like the bottom part. I don't really like the top, so I'm gonna erase it, and here's the texture. So I merge 2 layers and I multiply it. Well, I can add more color, but I really like this clear look of a kitchen. It does represent the idea I want to show to a client. So this sketch is ready to go. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments below, and I'll see you around. Bye.